Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today.
Now Ramos.
Good ball.
Finds his teammate. Their passing has been so accurate. He's unstoppable with the ball. And it's Aguero shoots. Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal kick. Let's have another look. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. He's headed the ball forward. It could be a chance here. Oh, here's Aguero. This is a world-class finish. He'll be delighted with that. His first goal for this team. The replay will give us a closer look.
The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway.
Confident pass. And he's won it back for his team. Good distribution. It's with the striker now. And that'll take the pressure off. That one has gone out of play. That's nicely played. Passed inside.
Tries his luck from distance. Ball's across the line, it's out of play.
The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. Keeper put his boot behind that.
He's cut it back inside.
Striker's ball.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Aguero shoots.
And that's out for a goal kick.
That's unlike him. Normally he finds a net from there. Keeper sends it long.
Back to the goalkeeper. Dominating the play now.
Aguero with the ball.
And it's opened up here. Goodness me, that was close.
Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. Kicked outfield. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Oh, confident defending.
That's good link-up play.
They're just looking.
The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time.
You used to be so particular about the way I was feeling. Talking about all of our dreams and nothing.
They're winning at the halfway stage. Can they see out the rest of the game? Great footwork there. Finds his teammate. Passed inside.
He must score, surely. Good effort there.
Wide of the mark. No cards yet from the referee.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
Confident pass. Good distribution.
This is good stuff.
Intercepted. Perfectly executed.
That's nicely played. Passed well. Using the width here. And there's the shot.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team management.
And that's into the box.
tries